But along with this human migration, you need to consider animal migration. If your primary or secondary locations are sitting on significant acreage and you're thinking, hey, I don't have to go out and compete for these animals, I can just secure my property and hunt on my own land. This is true to some degree, but there are caveats. The first caveat is that you have to actually secure all of your land from poachers, which comes with a series of challenges and hazards that scale based on how many outsiders actually end up in your area post-collapse. The second caveat is that you're not able to protect migratory species that leave your land. And once they leave your land, it's safe to assume any hungry person who sees them is going to take a shot at them. So it's critical to know which animals in your area migrate and by how much. Because even if you and all of your neighbors are responsible conservationists, if the animals in question migrate outside of your collective area of influence, you need to assume that they're as good as dead the next time that they migrate. The third caveat is that for all non-migratory species that will stay entirely on your property, you are now the game warden. When the world ends, so will the Fish and Wildlife Service, which means there's no one to manage the health and population size of these animals but you. So for you to successfully go this route, you need to learn how to track and monitor the animal populations on your land, and fully understand the reproductive cycle so that you can calculate how many you can sustainably harvest each year. This does have to be very carefully managed if you're planning on being able to harvest wild animals on your land in the long term.